Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning and thank you for joining our daily outlook. And today we'll cover the changes in the euro-dollar pair. Javier will be sharing insights from our trading desk.
The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The gold got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 3.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Thank you, Javier, for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
General Motors cut its annual EV production forecast and announced a new $6 billion share buyback plan as the automaker banks on demand from its gasoline-powered models. GM now projects the higher end of its 2024 EV production to be 250,000 units. The dollar hit a 4-week high, ahead of a highly anticipated inflation report that is likely to influence the timing of the first rate cut by the US Federal Reserve, while the euro was pressured by political uncertainty in the region. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq were higher, helped by gains in shares of Apple, while investors also awaited consumer prices data and a policy announcement from the Federal Reserve. Apple shares were up 6.4% and hit a record high after declining in the previous session.
Thank you, Javier. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
Germany's harmonised index of consumer prices will be released at 6 GMT. The UK's industrial production at 6 GMT. Japan's BSI Large Manufacturing Conditions Index at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment will be released at 2350 GMT. The US Fed interest rate decision at 18 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 6 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in for the latest news and events from the financial markets.